Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Walgreens peer review for the week of July the 5th to the 11th. We have some money makers, freebies, cheapies, a lot of new deals. This is definitely a week you're going to want to shimmy over to the store, especially if you have the coupons I'm going to describe. So a lot of us got these two, a 4-back when you buy 2 dental care, pretty self-explanatory, and a 10-back when you spend 50. Now, I'm going to let you guys know only one of my accounts got the 10 back when you spend 50, so that one's a little bit more of a your mileage may vary. Perhaps a paper booster might print for you in store. The card that didn't get that, guess what? The 5 back when you spent 15 appeared. So you might want to get a little 11-cent print and punch in your phone number in case, like the 5 back when you spend 15, that paper booster might print for you. They were printing last week, which was really nice. Okay, so just a reminder, guys, this is the beginning of the week, which is July the 5th. So any 4th of July merchandise left at the store is probably going to be 50% off. And if you're watching this on the 4th, happy 4th of July. And also, I think bundled in that will probably be some of the FIFA decorations and so on and so forth. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 5th. Ending on Sunday the 5th is the Dollar General clearance event. They just threw it in with the 4th weekend. I did find quite a bit of items, and even I kept going back to the store and finding more stuff. I would definitely check this out if you have a little bit of time on Saturday the 4th or Sunday the 5th. If you love Dollar General, I will link this video at the end of my little haul. Okay, the first deal we're going to talk about is the Dove FIFA, either the men or the women's body wash. If it's part of this, it's going to be a total freebie. If not, it's $1.50 per Dove body wash. I mean, stock up, guys. This is a really cheap price point. $8 reward when you buy 2 and a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. But if you still might have this, the 10 off 2, because a lot of us couldn't track down that body wash or the displays were not out when this coupon first appeared. And for those of you that are like, oh, this expired, it expires on the 12th. So you still have this week to use it. And it's either the men or the women's. We didn't get 2 of these. So grabbing 2 of the FIFA body washes, that'll be 16. And the great thing is a lot of people use theirs the first week. So if you weren't able to track this down or you were busy, you know, it's an opportunity to use it. After that $10 coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back an $8 register reward, making this free plus a $2 moneymaker. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And we have to double, triple check that FIFA is part of it, but it has been the last couple of weeks for these little promotions. So this would be absolutely fantastic any way you slice the pie. Now, if you already use that 10 off of 2 for the body wash, here's an alternative deal. Grab 2 of these body washes, whatever flavor you want in the Dove for 16. Load that 5 off 2 digital. You'll pay $11, get back an $8 register reward, $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, if you have that 10 off 2 FIFA Dove body wash coupon, let you guys know, load that one. And then load this one secondly if you want to do the deal twice. The smaller coupon will come off first, but you guys already knew that. This is another repeat, but if you want to do this deal, it's also really fantastic. It's for the Dove Men's FIFA hair shampoo. It's $8, and we have this, which is an 8 off of 2 coupon. Basically makes it like BOGO free if you think about it. But if we're going to throw it into this deal, we're also going to get back a register reward. So 2 of these for $16. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 3 for 2 or $1.50 per men's shampoo. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And those Dove Men FIFA, it's on a display on an end cap, so you might want to look there, and you might find a lot. This has my interest because that 15 off, but I think it's for that really expensive line of Pantene. But going with the cheapest one, which is the $5 Pantenes, it's the smaller bottles. Usually we get a 3 off of 2. So if that one appears, grabbing 3 of the Pantenes at $5 a pop, that would be 15. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 that we normally get for the smaller bottles, you'd pay $12, get back a $3 register reward, making it 9 for the 3 or $3 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have those $10 P&G register rewards, throw it into this one, make something with it. Also, the Garnier Whole Blends Hair Care, $3 reward when you buy 2. Is it going to be $5.49 per shampoo, $4.99 per shampoo, or $7.79 per shampoo? If it's the highest price point, this is a pass, but let's meet somewhere in the middle at $5.49. At 2 of those, it would be $10.98. Subtracting the coupon, you're paying $7.98. Getting back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per shampoo. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is not a bad little deal, especially if you need whole blends right now. The next deal we're looking at is the Palmolive at $2.99. It says 75% off. Are we going to get a 75% off for both Palmolive and Suavitel? That would be nice. But just say we only get one. Grabbing 2 of the Palmolives for $5.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5.23. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2.23 for 2 or $1.11 per Palmolive. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And that green original scent is what we use in the household. We're not a down household. It's like whatever's cheapest. There's actually one until Sunday the 5th for 27 cents at the Dollar General. Check out the video at the end. Oh my gosh. Okay, back to this. We have a 5 off of 2, I'm assuming, on the Colgate. We're probably going to have to grab the $5 ones. $4 reward when you buy 2. Very easy deal, friends. Grabbing 2 of these for $10, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Crest deal this week is just a bit too much out of pocket, so I'm definitely going with Colgate. Now, sometimes when this Nexus Shea Moisture deal shows up, we get high value coupons, but I'm not seeing it in the preview ad. But grabbing 2 of the Nexuses for $34. I know there's $5 hang tags at various stores. If you could track 2 of them down, it's $10 off. You would pay $24. And a hang tag is a coupon hanging off the product. That's why it's called a hang tag, but it's a coupon. Pay $24, get back a $10 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or $7 per. Check the Fetch app in case there might be a rebate for you on Nexus. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The final deal that I have cooked up for my friends here today is the Gillette. You're going to grab one of the men and one of the women's. The men's for $12.49 has a $5 digital, and the ladies has a $3 digital. Make sure you still have those coupons as well. So grabbing 1 of each, it's going to be $22.48. Subtracting the $5 and $3 coupon, that's $8 right there. You're going to pay $14.48. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $9.48 for the 2 or $4.74 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. That $10 Kenvu or $10 P&G, throw it into that for a lesser out of pocket. I think that's just a smart move. Talk really quickly about the honorable mentions. The first one goes to this soda deal. Buy 2, get 1 for free on Coca-Cola, Sprite, Diet Coke. Lots of different soda deals. They're still wanting you to celebrate, cookouts and stuff. So they want your Walgreens to be your one-stop shop for all of your soft drinks. These gluten-free chips that are so good. I know there's some IBOTTA rebates that have been floating in and out, so check your account. Maybe you can get them for $1 off or something like that. $3.49 for these Febreze products with a $3.50 off of 2, basically making it a buy 1, get 1 free on the Air Effects or the small spaces. I wish the car clips are part of this. We'll have to wait and see till Sunday what's included. We have a 2 for $7 with a $2 reward when you buy 2, making it $5 for 2 Dial body washes. So basically $2.50 each. Not a bad price point considering we don't get a lot of sales on this specific one. And if you like Dial Gold, it's the stock up week. That 6 off for the $15.99 Downy Gain Tide. What is that coupon? What is that coupon? I'm very curious about it. So just throw that on the back burner because Aunt Rach is curious. 3 for $7.49 or $2.49 per unit for these Arm & Hammer products. Not a bad price point, especially if you're a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile. I would definitely get a couple of these items this week. And a buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags, making it 93 cents per box. Not a bad little stock up price. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.